Here I will explain the adjustment process from the short run to the long run. I just want to replicate the graph here so that it becomes easy for everyone to understand. I have the two quadrant price quantity graph. D1 is my demand curve. Then I have the marginal revenue line, which is below the demand curve. Next thing I do here is add the marginal cost line, and the output is at the point where MR is equal to MC. Say my output is equal to 10 units, just for the sake of convenience. Now I'm going to extend this line all the way till it is hitting the demand curve. Let's say the price is equal to $100. Next thing I do is bring in the average total cost curve. Say this average total cost is equal to 80. What I see here is the price is 100, average total cost is 80, price is greater than average total cost. Now to calculate the profit here, what I do is use the formula which we kept using throughout. That is 100 price minus average total cost, which is 80, times 10. So I have a profit of $200. Okay, so this is a profit making industry, and this will encourage new firms to enter this industry. As you know, entry into this industry is relatively easy. So this will cause the demand curve for all the firms to shift to the left. Due to the entry of new firms, each firm has a smaller market share. Okay. Hang in there. Let's go back. So each firm now has a smaller market share because more firms are entering this industry, and they have to face larger number of close substitutes. So this goes on till we have normal profit or price equal to average total cost, or till we reach the long run. I'll show you the graph here. This is the long run graph where the demand curve is, this point is called tangent. So the demand curve is tangent to the average total cost curve, and the price will go down to average total cost. We would have a normal profit, or we are going to have a zero economic profit. So we started with a profit here in the short run. So we started with this graph where price was greater than average total cost, and then we went to this graph which is from the long run where we only have a normal profit, and this is where the price is equal to average total cost. Now I'm going to explain to you the adjustment process that happens if we have a loss. Alright, so the average total cost is again equal to 80, but now say the price is equal to 60. So my price is equal to 60, which is less than average total cost, that is 80. This means we have a loss. We are in the short run. We cannot have a profit or a loss in the long run. So firms will leave this industry in response to a loss. The existing firms' demand curves will shift to the right, and the existing firms, they will have a larger market share. So this will lead to normal profit as losses will disappear. Eventually, we will have price equal to average total cost. So we will have this situation where the price line is equal to average total cost and the demand curve is tangent to this average total cost line. So the take home here is, in the short run we can have a profit or we can have a loss, but in the long run we are always gonna have a normal economic profit. So this is all with the adjustment process for monopolistically competitive market structure, and this is similar to a perfectly competitive market structure adjustment process. So that's all for now.